How to copy Discord profile link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Discord on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings icon you see there at the bottom, and then under the user settings tab, tap on the My Account option, and further you will see three dots right beside your username. Tap on that and then tap on the Copy User ID option, and with this, your user ID will be copied. So, this is how you can copy Discord profile link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.